High above the frozen forests of the northern wilderness, life moves according to ancient rhythms. In these vast landscapes, wolves have survived for thousands of years, adapted to extreme cold, complex social structures, and unforgiving terrain. Their environment shapes not only their behavior but also the unique properties of their fur and skin. Here, every season leaves its mark. Dense coats grow thicker, muscle strengthens, nature refines its own design. And it is from this origin that a carefully regulated modern industrial process begins, one built on control, oversight, and precision. Before any material ever reaches a factory, it begins with observation. Wildlife professionals monitor wolf populations closely, tracking health, movement, and habitat balance. Every action follows strict protocols designed to ensure safety, sustainability, and ethical compliance. At specialized care facilities, wolves are handled under veterinary supervision. Their environment is calm, controlled, and monitored continuously. Nutrition, health checks, and behavioral stability are all part of a long-term process that prioritizes animal welfare above speed or volume. Only after this extended phase does material collection occur. What enters the industrial system is no longer an animal, but a biological material prepared under strict standards. From this point onward, the story becomes one of engineering, scale, and transformation. Inside the Wolfers processing complex, the scale is immediately apparent. Massive halls stretch hundreds of meters in length. Automated systems replace manual handling. Human workers oversee, monitor, and adjust, but the movement of material is driven by machines designed for consistency and safety. Raw hides enter the facility through sealed intake systems. Large stainless steel trays guide them into synchronized production lines. Each hide is logged, tracked, and inspected before processing begins. Nothing here is improvised. Everything is measured. Washing is the first major transformation. Industrial drums rotate slowly, removing impurities while preserving structural integrity. Water temperature, flow rate, and duration are controlled digitally. Across the hall, dozens of hides move simultaneously, each one undergoing the same carefully timed process. From above, the factory resembles a living system. Conveyors branch and reconnect. Trays collect, separate, and redirect material. At every stage, quality control teams observe from elevated walkways, ensuring uniformity across thousands of square meters of production space. Tanning follows, an essential step that converts raw hide into durable leather. Inside enclosed chambers, chemical reactions stabilize the material, strengthening fibers and preventing decay. This process determines the leather's longevity, flexibility, and resistance to environmental stress. Once stabilized, the hides move into drying halls, vast climate-controlled chambers where temperature and airflow are adjusted with precision. Rows of hides hang evenly, moving slowly through zones designed to remove moisture without compromising texture. This stage alone can take days. As drying concludes, the material begins to resemble what most people recognize as leather. Its surface is smooth, its structure firm. Its natural tones, grays, deep charcoals, muted browns, begin to emerge clearly. These colors are not added, they are revealed. The next transformation is refinement. Machines stretch, flatten, and polish each hide, ensuring uniform thickness and surface consistency. Automated scanners inspect for imperfections. Only material that meets exact specifications moves forward. Then comes creation. In garment halls the size of aircraft hangars, leather sheets arrive continuously. Automated cutters slice patterns for jackets and coats with millimeter accuracy. Robotic systems stitch thick panels together, forming silhouettes that combine durability with design. Nearby, parallel production lines assemble bags and footwear. Leather is shaped, reinforced and bonded through heavy-duty presses. Soles meet uppers. Seams are sealed. Hardware is added. Every movement follows a programmed sequence refined through years of testing. Fashion garments undergo a different process. Here, finishing takes precedence. Edges are refined. Surfaces are inspected under specialized lighting. Fit, symmetry, and texture are examined repeatedly before approval. Once assembled, products enter final inspection. Jackets, bags, shoes, and garments move along long conveyor lines where scanners and human supervisors work together. Any deviation, however minor, halts the line. Approved items advance to packaging. Automated systems fold garments and place them into reinforced containers. Boxes are sealed, labeled, and stacked onto pallets, ready for transport. At the loading bays, scale returns to the forefront. Massive container trucks line up beneath towering factory walls. Forklifts move steadily, transferring pallets into trailers built for long-distance shipping. Every container is tracked, every destination logged. Outside, the final stage begins. Trucks depart the facility one by one, carrying finished wolf leather products toward global markets. From the road, the factory fades into the background, its rooftop logo still visible, anchoring the entire process to a single origin. From the wilderness to the workshop, from nature to engineering, this is how raw material becomes refined craftsmanship.